Welcome everyone to the next episode of Mr. Fjelstrom's PrecalcCast. Today's episode is looking at benchmark 3.1, simplifying trigonometric expressions. Our first question here asks us to simplify the following expression: sine of theta plus cosine theta cotangent theta. Now here I have two terms, and I'm going to see if I can get those into one term by rewriting cotangent. So I have the sine of theta plus the cosine of theta, and cotangent, using the quotient identity, is cosine theta over sine of theta. And cosine of theta times cosine over sine would be sine of theta plus cosine squared theta over sine theta. Now here I have a sine in the denominator, so I'm going to make sine of theta into a fraction and get common denominators. So this one needs a sine of theta, and I have now sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta all over 1. Sine of theta. Okay, and I said 1 earlier because I was jumping ahead the Pythagorean identity, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, which is 1. So I have 1 over sine of theta, and using my reciprocal identity, cosecant of theta as my final answer. I would not want to leave my answer as 1 over sine because there is the quotient identity, and we want it as simplified as possible. So here we go, and thanks for tuning in. See you next time.